Students, in the previous lecture of grammar, we have discussed the sentences and their 5 kinds according to their sense and function. First kind, imperative sentences, we have discussed. Now our next kind is assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are those sentences which show any action or fact or happening. Assertive sentences can affirm any action, fact or happening. It means they can be the positive sentences and they can negate any action, fact or happening as well. It means they can be the negative sentences as well. Okay, how they show the action? See the example: the tiger killed the deer with one stroke of its paw. Now there is action, killed, उसने उसको मार दिया. Now this is the action in the sentence. The earth is big in size and round in shape. Now this is the fact that we can't change. Like मुसलमान दिन में 5 नमाज़ें पढ़ते हैं. This is the fact. मुसलमान साल में 2 ईदें मनाते हैं. This is also the fact that we can't change. The roof of the house gave way under the heavy weight. This is the happening. Like we say, the boy fell from the roof and broke his leg. Now we are relating any happening with that sentence. The king did not punish the criminal out of pity. This is the action, punish. They say that the time is a great healer. This is the fact. The storm blew away the roof of the hut. Now this is the happening. Okay, assertive sentences always end with the full stop and they can affirm or negate any action, fact or happening. Now our next kind of sentences is the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask any question about anything to inquire something. Interrogative sentences are of 2 kinds. First one, we start with the helping verbs. Like these are is, am, are, has, have, to, etc. Like see here, have you ever been to London? Now this sentence is asking any question but starting with the helping verb. And the next kind of the sentences that start with the WH words or questioning words like why, when, where, how many, how much, etc. Like where did you come across your friend? Now this sentence is starting with the WH word. Now how many types of interrogative sentences? 2 types, which beginning with the helping verbs and beginning with the questioning words. And an interrogative sentence always ends in a question mark. Okay students, now we will discuss the main theme of the story of the Bye Bite. Bye Bite is the story of Miss Huma and dog Bite. This story is very interesting because it presents the everlasting love and care, human being to animals and animals to human beings. इंसानों का जानवरों के लिए और जानवरों का इंसानों के लिए प्यार और केयर को शो करती है. This story tells us about the very great passion of caring the animals. Mr. Advis not only cares for the bite but also tries to overcome her loneliness. वो ना सिर्फ उसकी केयर करती है बल्कि अपनी जो तन्हाई है उसको भी कम करने की कोशिश करती है. She is quite alone after her husband's death. Her 2 daughters have also gone abroad for the higher studies. वो भी से छोड़ के बाहर चली गई.